Hello, people. My name is Jose Miguel Rodriguez. I am a student of environmental engineering in the National University Open and Distance. I am 38 years old. I live in Bogota City. Uh, in this opportunity, uh, I to to tell for for the job of my dreams. If I could have any job, um, I think I would like to be environmentalist. If in this because I enjoy visiting many places of environmental importance and helping the people. Also because I have studies in the area. I think the most important job I have had was supervisor environmental in the animal products industry. I believe this because I contributed a lot to the environmental in that job. Uh, this is Sales. Thank you for pay attention. Um,